I'm Steve. Today we're looking at some of the most popular accessories for the DumperDogg Dump Insert from Buyers Products. First off, these metal brackets on each side of the DumperDogg are part number 5531020, the black steel DumperDogg Sidewall Extension Kit. This kit lets you easily increase the volume of material you can handle by adding an extra foot of height to the dump bed. The hardware is black powder coated steel just like the DumperDogg itself, so everything looks coordinated and organic. A stainless steel version of this kit is also available. Moving on, the rack behind me is part number 5531010, the DumperDogg Cab Guard. It's black powder coated steel as well and bolts right into the insert to help protect your truck's back windshield. I'd recommend these to anyone hauling around a lot of loose material or debris. Last but not least, we have part number DTR 5508, the aluminum roll tarp kit with a 9.5 foot mesh tarp. This system helps protect the material in your dog from things like wind, rain, and bumpy roads. Thanks for joining me to check out some of the accessories to deck out your DumperDogg. All the part numbers mentioned are listed below for your reference.